Hi, I'm Josh Bowman, Product Manager for Qumulex, and in this video we're going to cover the Qumulex Enterprise Panels and Door Kits. So in this lesson we're going to talk about the supported products, the architecture, the door kits, and the benefits of ProWire and monitored kits. So for starters, Qumulex Enterprise Panels are powered by HID Mercury. Qumulex is an authorized OEM software partner for HID Mercury. When we talk about the intelligent controllers, Qumulex supports all of them. We have the QXEP LP1501, 1502, 2500, and 4502. As you can see, we've elected to choose a part number that was very much in line with the existing Mercury part number to make it easier for you when ordering. Also would like to note that third-party equivalents are also supported from other OEM software partners. We do not at this time charge an additional fee or license in order to use that hardware. For SIO modules, currently we support the QXEP MR50 and 52 series. Third-party equivalents are also supported just like the intelligent controllers. We have planned support and are developing support for the MR16 in and out, as well as the 62E modules. Now, while these are not currently supported by QX Control, they are available to purchase now for use with other solutions. And again, once these are supported, third-party equivalents will also be supported just as we do with the intelligent controllers and other SIO modules. We do have a lot of information from Mercury available to help you with your planning in terms of the total capability of each of these controllers and SIO modules. But we've also summarized the same information on the individual spec sheet for each of these modules and controllers. This is available to anyone on our website simply by going to Qumulex/QXEP. And just to cover again the architecture of how QX Control works, your intelligent controller will connect directly to the Qumulex gateway on site over the local area network. Once you've done that, each controller will typically provide some level of reader functionality or can be chained to other SIO modules such as the MR52 or MR50 so that you can increase your door quantity. Qumulex Enterprise Panels and Door Kits can be bought together in kit form. The Unified Series kits are powered by LifeSafety Power. These offer a unified backplane, meaning the backplane has holes that line up with the Mercury panels themselves. We have a wide variety of door kits available on our website. These are through 2-door up to 24-door kits available. These are offered in the Unified Series, both managed and unmanaged options, and we do accept custom orders if you would like to build a custom kit for your application. In addition, we also have the ProWire Series managed kits, also powered by LifeSafety Power, also contain a unified backplane. However, these kits will come with the wiring dressed and routed. Connectors will be labeled. These are available in 4-door through 24-door kits as well. These are managed solutions, and again, just like the Unified Series, we do accept custom orders if you'd like to build your own kit. There are a lot of benefits to the managed kits. Of course, you can monitor the status of the battery, voltage, lock cycles, you can receive alerts. There's a lot that you can do, and this information is available by logging into the IP address of the NL4 module. This module is the module in your door kit that accepts the RJ45 Ethernet connector. This will then allow you to access the System Manager web interface once you've logged into the IP address, and this information will help promote a better modern technical experience for your customers and will allow you to add value to the solution and will also allow you to manage the solution with a lot more information and accuracy. In addition to the managed kits, we also again offer the ProWire. These kits are pre-wired and labeled and will route the wiring either through finger duct, Velcro, or cable tied bundles. These kits offer a consistent and quality look to your installation no matter who installs them, but there's a bit more value to the ProWire kit than just the aesthetics, and that is time. So if you look at an example here of one of our kits, you can see that not only are the wires routed and bundled, but they're also pre-terminated. So you can actually pull the existing connector off of the Mercury board once you've mounted it, and you can plug that right in, and you can see the individual labels tell you exactly where to land it. So this really makes fast and easy progress on site once you have the cabinet mounted and you have your boards mounted. And speaking of those boards, you can see that it actually labels where each controller and SIO module should be placed based on how it was wired. This saves a lot of time. And by saving time, this allows you to be more price competitive and allows you better margin on your projects. Not to mention afterwards, if you have any troubleshooting that is required, with everything being labeled appropriately, and especially if you're using the monitored solution, it will help you identify any problems. It's going to make your troubleshooting far more efficient. That completes this section. Thank you.